Good morning, students of class 2nd. Today is part 10, okay, of exercise 2nd. In previous class, I told you about the exercise 2, starting topic countings, okay. How we write the counting in words, okay, numbers and in words. I told you in previous class, part 9, and in today's class we learn, we can recognize, we can say that we started our second topic, backward countings, okay, how we write backward countings. So student, very easy counting we have. Backward countings means reverse counting, okay. We can say it reverse counting also, as like that we write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Students, I write here counting 1 to 30. Normal counting I write here 1 to 30. Students, in today's class I tell you about the backward counting, how we write the backward countings, okay. Backward counting, okay. 1 to 100, okay. We can write here 1 to 100 also. How we write the backward counting? Normal counting, students, we know about the normal counting 1 to 100 we know, and I told you in previous class also how we write counting in number and words 1 to 100. So don't be confused, students. Very easy method I tell you today in today's class. In previous classes we started from 1 2 3 4, okay. What is the meaning of backward counting? Backward counting means we can start from backward, okay. We can start from backward. We can say that here we can as the question is as like that, write the backward counting of 1 to 30, okay. Here I write here 30, so we tell you about counting backward counting of 1 to 30. So question is as like that, write the backward counting 1 to 30. So how we write backward counting? So we write here 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called backward counting. Students, you can easily say that this type of counting as like the descending order. In descending order, students, you know about the descending order in exercise first in part starting part 3 and 4. I tell you about the ascending and descending order also, how we say that which one is ascending and which one is descending order, and how we arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. In exercise first we learned this type of questions. So students, there are some counting 1 to 30. Then backward counting means we can easily recognize that right in descending order, okay. What is the meaning of descending order? First of all, we write the greatest one, then smaller than greatest one, then smaller than smaller than smaller than smaller than, okay. What is the meaning of descending order? Descending order means decreasing order, okay. Decreasing order means if we have greater one then smaller than, okay, then we say that this one is also smaller than, okay. So this is called descending order. In previous classes I explained you descending and ascending order in a proper way, so you can, if you have some problem to recognize that, you can see previous parts also, which in these part you Again say that how we recognize, how we arrange the descending and ascending order. So backward counting means write the numbers in, write the countings in descending order. So students, very easy method in today's class I tell you how we write the numbers in backward counting. So always we remember backward counting means arrange the countings in descending order. Okay, so we write the countings. If equations have as like that, write the backward counting 1 to 100. So okay, so it means we have to arrange the counting in descending order. Okay, we have the numbers up to 100, 1 to 100. So we our question is become as like that, we arrange the countings 1 to 100 in descending order. So we easily arrange the numbers in descending order because we studied about descending order in previous parts. Okay, so students, how we that in today's class on blackboard I write the 1 to 30 countings. Okay, and my question is as like that, arrange this counting in backward counting. Counting means write in a descending order. So first of all, how we write? Here we write backward countings. Okay, backward countings. So in descending order, so students write here descending order. First of all, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So students, this is called backward counting. So our question is completed. How we write backward counting? So students, very easy concept. This is backward countings. How we write backward counting? We easily say that backward counting means arrange the numbers in descending order. So we easily do this type of questions. Okay, so for exercise 2, our second topic is backward counting. How we write the backward counting? So students, I give you some homework according this topic. So your today's homework is, students, write and learn backward counting and write in your fair notebook also. Okay, this is your today's homework. Write and learn. Here I write only learn the backward counting and write in your fair notebook also. Okay, write in your fair notebook also. Students, you can first of all you can learn how we write the backward counting, then you practice in your rough notebook, then you can do in your fair notebook with heading. Write heading here, backward counting 1 to 100. Okay, here I write 1 to 100. Okay, students, so this is your today's homework. Thank you.